Are you ready to throw your hands up in the air and call it quits with your WordPress website? Well, before you chuck it all in, you may be relieved to hear that you're not alone. A lot of people struggle to get their site up and running for one very simple reason: lack of actionable information. And if you fall into that category, then you've come to the right place. So what exactly does actionable information mean? Well, it's actually quite simple. It means information that you can follow without confusion. Let's face it, there's a massive difference between reading how to do something and seeing it being done. And a good demonstration can make all the difference. If you've never even made a post, then walking away may simply seem easier. But think of what an incredible opportunity you're missing out on. For those who have already started blogging, the opportunity to expand and transform their blog on their very own domain is an exciting opportunity, but one that sadly never becomes a reality for many people because they simply cannot get their head around how to get the site online. So what's the answer? Hiring someone at great expense? Not necessarily an option for the average Joe who's just testing the waters, trying to patch together a solution and making do. Again, a possibility, but would you really be here if you were happy just making do? After helping numerous people to achieve the outcomes they desire and succeed at creating their own WordPress website, we think we have the answer. We believe that the best way to succeed when creating your own WordPress site is to have a visual, step-by-step guide that walks you through every single step necessary so that you produce a quality site quickly and simply. So that's why we've created these easy-to-follow videos. Just sit back and see how easy it is to take action and create a great-looking site fast. Within our helpful collection of info-packed videos, you'll discover the fastest, easiest way to learn and master WordPress. These on-screen demonstrations will help you to shortcut the setup of your WordPress site using strategies that make the process fast, simple and foolproof, even if you're inexperienced with computing or suffer from a lack of confidence. Just follow along and you'll be up and running in no time. Reading about things that you're unfamiliar with can just tie you up in knots, and that's where we come in. By seeing precisely how to do the things needed to create your very own site, it makes everything 100 times easier. And that's exactly what this fantastic new program will show you. If you're ready to take a different approach to understanding WordPress once and for all, then take action now and you could be working on your very own site today.